This video is to get into a lot of the value add for the elements that we've added into our roof packages to set you apart when you're selling with RoofSync to your solar customers. What some topics are that you as a salesperson can go over, or that you as a homeowner can know that you're receiving when you get one of these packages through RoofSync and one of our affiliated partners. So let's go through those point by point. The main things we're going to be talking about are the extended industry-leading warranty, SmartShield vents, SmartSeal underlayment, and one sales rep from sale to final nail, being your project manager, communicating and taking care of you throughout the entire process. So let's start with our SmartShield vents. What we're looking at in my hands is the two types of vents. One that most roofers don't even know exist, which is the SmartShield vent, and two, which is the roofing vent that most roofers have been using for 40 years and not thinking about it because they didn't realize there's alternatives. That's the one here in this hand. If you look outside of your house in your neighborhood, you'll see a lot of these sitting on the roof like this. This is called a gooseneck vent because of how it resembles that goose's neck. This is just going to cover up openings and allow ventilation. The idea is we don't want things falling into these particular vents from the top, so it allows the air to come in the bottom. Most of them will have a screen to cover that up. Some will have a flap. But what we've observed is this old technology has its flaws. What can happen is wind-driven rain coming from this direction can splash right up here. There's nothing stopping that from going in and coming right into the living space. The other thing we've seen is the quality of the sealant on these seams is degrading over time because there's just no competition to force them to actually have a great product that's going to work well. And so one of the most common leak points on a new roof is these vents. And so it's a big liability for roofing installers like ourselves. That's what caused us to go out and look, is there an alternative to this that isn't going to leak? Because we kept having that problem in the past. And that's how we found the SmartShield vent. These guys, you'll notice it's a much different look. It's very often compared to a cheese grater because of how it looks on the front here. I'll hold this up close to the camera. And one thing you'll notice, the opening is up when this is on the roof. The holes are facing up. And so what does that mean? That means this was designed in mind with water coming in right here. That's what we want. We want water to come in right here. You won't see openings if you look from the front. Wind-blown rain is not going anywhere. It'll splash and potentially mist back down, but water is designed to go in through here, and then it channels through the front. It has paths for the water to go out. Inside, the back is where the airflow is. So this is your airflow. This is your channel for water. So this is designed from the beginning with water flow in mind. Where are we going to take that water? How are we going to receive it? How are we going to get rid of it? And this is going to protect your roof. I've chosen a galvanized vent. This is my example that I always show. These come painted just like these do, white, brown, or black, so you can match it to the shingle color that you end up selecting for your roof, and it'll have a much better aesthetic. But these can be fairly sleek as well, and it's going to protect you from those early leak risks on your brand new roof. And so that's why we've selected this product. Number two, SmartSeal underlayment. There's three types of underlayment. You've got your SmartSeal in my hand here, your standard felt. This is basically just a thick paper. It's very easy to rip. You can see I've done so in several places. And then you've got your synthetic, which is basically just a thick plastic. Florida building code, where we reside, requires 2 layers of each of these. Each of these is fastened down with button cap nails, first on the first layer, then on the second layer. So each of these across the surface of your entire roof represents thousands of nails and penetrations that your roof is going to need. This represents 0 penetrations. You're going to peel this off in the back. This is a sticky surface. It goes right onto the decking, directly onto the wood, and that's going to self-adhere down onto that wood. A self-adhered underlayment only qualifies as SmartSeal if it meets certain requirements that we have determined in RoofSync to be the in RoofSync to be what we determine a valid SmartSeal underlayment. So SmartSeal is a subcategory of self-adhered roof underlayments which are approved by RoofSync that meet our rigorous standards. And there's are several that do meet the standards. You're going to need different ones for different circumstances. For instance, if you were to use tile or metal, you would get a high temperature underlayment. But all that to say, this type of underlayment, the self-adhered SmartSeal roof, is a self-healing, meaning when it's penetrated, it's going to seal tight around that nail, waterproof underlayment that requires no nails itself for installation. The only penetrations through this will be the ones used to adhere your shingles to the roof or whatever other roofing product you may end up with, although it would be, again, high temp. Whereas the other two, they are water shedding, not waterproof. And like you saw with the felt, if it can rip and a nail goes through it and that's where it tends to rip, now you've got a real problem where this is just a penetration that's got a rip in the underlayment, which is your water barrier. That's what's actually waterproofing your roof to the elements. The shingles or metal or tile are merely just protecting your underlayment from the elements. And so this is not only your water barrier, but it is the heart of your roofing system. SmartShield vents, SmartSeal underlayment. Finally, our industry-leading warranty, second to last. Our industry-leading warranty, depending on the roof system you go with, there's the Smart Roof, which gives a 10-year workmanship warranty through RoofSync. And then there's the Future Proof Roof, which gives a 20-year warranty through RoofSync. And our fulfillment partners right now, SunSmart Roofing, where I personally work, is one of them. And that is, compared to what I've personally seen on the market, I'm sure if you're a savvy homeowner, you're getting a few estimates. You'll see estimates that have usually 5 years of workmanship warranty. Some will occasionally carry more. 5 years or 10 years or 20 years. 20 is typically going to be the lifespan of your roof. So instead of giving you just that 5-year workmanship warranty, we're doubling or quadrupling that, potentially up to the full life of your roof, making sure your workmanship is covered for the entire duration so that you never have to stress about anything on that end. Material warranty covered still through the manufacturer, but generally out of the box material warranties cover at least 10 years and then prorated for the next 10. And so you'll still have pretty solid coverage for that, and that can be extended if desired. Finally, the same salesperson, the same face, sale to final nail. Once your solar company hands you off to the fulfillment partner, again, in many cases, SunSmart Roofing, where I am, your project manager will introduce themselves quickly after that, and that will be the one person you have to speak to or ask any questions to from that point until we've collected the final check and wave farewell, and I'm sure get a 5-star review. So, you know, everything from updates throughout the production process of what's going on, what to expect next, things that you may need to do to prepare, what to tell your HOA, other options that we can help with around the house, even as much as being on site to drop off the permit, on site during the day of the build, after the build to sweep for nails and make sure we get absolutely every possible nail during cleanup that we possibly can, and ensure that your home is as safe as it possibly can be once this construction job, which can be very loud and messy, completes. That is an experience that we are committed to delivering to our homeowners, and for our solar partners, you know, your customers, making sure that we hold their hand through the entire process and take care of them as if they were our own, because you are trusting us with their business when you. So in summary, I'm filming this a little bit later because the fifth thing that is super valuable that we add in the RoofSync sale is the inclusion of many more pieces of wood than the average roofing contractor. Typically, I'll see 0 or 2 pieces included on my competitors' contracts. Our standard package includes 10 pieces of wood, and our future-proof roof package includes 35 areas of wood, which basically just means that with any of these packages, the worry of having a out-of-pocket wood cost is very minimal. It's a rare case where you're going to have more than that number of pieces of wood on your roof that need to be replaced. And so when you buy through us, the additional cost that can be incurred during the build, that's like, I don't know how much it's going to be. I mean, it's not like it's their fault for not being able to tell you. You don't know until the roof comes off, but having that included gives you a lot of confidence that the price at the contract is going to be the price that you pay. So in summary, our 5 benefits are the extended workmanship warranty, SmartShield vents, SmartSeal underlayment, the 1 rep from sale to final nail, and the inclusion of 10 to 35 pieces of wood, depending on the package that you're working with.